The allure of real estate investment has captivated individuals for generations. With the promise of financial freedom and wealth creation, it's no wonder that many aspire to become real estate moguls. However, beneath the glossy exterior lies a roller coaster journey filled with twists, turns, and unexpected surprises. In this comprehensive exploration of real estate investing, we'll delve into the major shifts in the financial world, unveil the exposed costs that can catch you off guard, and reveal the untold gains that await those who master the art of patience and resilience. The ever-changing financial landscape, adapting to technological advancements. The world of investing has experienced a seismic shift in recent years, largely driven by technological advancements. Robo-advisors have emerged as a powerful tool for wealth management, automating investment decisions based on algorithms and data analysis. Blockchain technology has disrupted traditional transaction processes, paving the way for more transparent and efficient property transactions. To thrive in this new landscape, investors must embrace these innovations. By leveraging data-driven insights, investors can make more informed decisions and identify lucrative opportunities in real estate markets. The key to success is not just staying up to date with technological trends, but also using them strategically to gain a competitive edge. The pandemic's impact, redefining real estate dynamics. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, one cannot overlook the profound impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the real estate market. The sudden shift to remote work and lifestyle changes reshaped housing demand, leading to divergent trends in urban and suburban areas. For city dwellers, the allure of spacious suburban homes increased, leading to a surge in demand and prices in these areas. Simultaneously, some urban markets faced temporary stagnation as people sought to avoid densely populated areas. However, as the pandemic subsided, the urban charm began to re-emerge, illustrating the cyclical nature of real estate markets. Unveiling the exposed costs, navigating financial pitfalls. While real estate investing offers great potential, it's essential to acknowledge the exposed costs that can turn a seemingly lucrative opportunity into a financial nightmare. Renovation and maintenance expenses. Many investors fall into the trap of underestimating the costs associated with renovating and maintaining properties. Joe, an ambitious investor, acquired an old apartment building with grand plans for renovations. However, unforeseen structural issues emerged, and his budget quickly ballooned, leaving him with a significant financial burden. The lesson here is to conduct thorough inspections and allocate ample funds for contingencies. Property taxes and insurance. Owning property comes with recurring expenses, such as property taxes and insurance premiums. New investors like Lisa often overlook these costs, leading to budget shortfalls and unexpected financial strain. It's crucial to factor these expenses into your financial planning to ensure long-term sustainability. Financing costs. Taking out loans to finance your real estate ventures may provide leverage, but it also entails interest payments that can eat into your profits. Maria, an enthusiastic investor, acquired multiple properties with loans, assuming the rising market would cover the interest. Unfortunately, a downturn affected her rental income, leaving her struggling to meet mortgage obligations. Assessing your borrowing capacity and understanding potential fluctuations in rental income is vital. Untold gains, the power of patience and long-term vision. As the saying goes, Rome wasn't built in a day, and the same applies to real estate investing. The untold gains lie in the power of patience and a long-term vision. Appreciation. Over time, while markets may experience fluctuations, real estate properties generally appreciate over the long run. Smart investors like Alex, who purchased a property in a transitioning neighborhood and patiently waited for its value to grow, reaped substantial rewards when the area blossomed into a prime location. Rental income. Rental properties can serve as a consistent source of passive income. Jessica, a shrewd investor, acquired multiple rental units that generated steady cash flow. allowing her to reinvest and expand her real estate portfolio further. The key to success in the rental market lies in strategic property selection and effective property management. Tax advantages. Real estate investment offers numerous tax benefits, including deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. Savvy investors like Michael leverage these tax advantages to optimize their returns and minimize their tax liabilities, ultimately accelerating their wealth accumulation. Embracing technology and diversification. To thrive in the ever-evolving world of real estate investing, embracing technology is no longer optional, but essential. Utilize online platforms. Leverage online platforms that provide real-time market data, analysis, and property insights. These platforms empower investors to make data-driven decisions, identify emerging trends, and seize opportunities swiftly. Adopt PropTech solutions. PropTech, property technology, is revolutionizing the real estate industry. Consider adopting smart home technologies, property management software, and digital marketing tools to streamline operations and enhance the tenant experience. Diversify your portfolio. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket by diversifying your real estate portfolio. Invest in different types of properties across diverse geographical locations to spread risk and capture various market dynamics. Lessons from the trenches. Wisdom from seasoned investors. Learning from the experiences of seasoned investors can be invaluable in navigating the real estate landscape successfully. Surround yourself with a strong team. No investor is an island. Building a reliable network of real estate agents, property managers, accountants, and legal advisors will equip you with essential insights and support throughout your investment journey. Learn from failures. Failure is an inevitable part of any venture, including real estate investing. Instead of being discouraged by setbacks, embrace them as opportunities for growth and learning. James, a resilient investor, experienced a foreclosure early in his career, but emerged stronger and wiser, armed with valuable lessons to apply to future endeavors. Never stop learning. The real estate market is ever-changing, and continuous learning is key to staying ahead. Attend seminars, read books, follow industry experts, and join investor groups to expand your knowledge and refine your strategies continually. The exposed costs may try to catch you off guard, but with foresight and preparation, you can navigate them successfully. The untold gains of patience and long-term vision await those who persevere, transforming their aspirations into reality. So buckle up and embrace this roller coaster ride with enthusiasm and determination. Armed with the knowledge, insights, and actionable advice shared here, you are now equipped to conquer the challenges and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Remember, your path to financial success in real estate may be unique, but the journey is shared by many. So let's join hands, support one another, and embark on this adventure together. As the saying goes, the best way to predict the future is to create it, and in the realm of real estate investing, your future is in your hands. If you found this exploration of real estate investing insightful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future updates as we continue to unveil the secrets of the real estate world. We wish you all the best on your journey to financial prosperity and real estate success. Until next time, happy investing.